Yo, how's it going? I haven't done a math video in, about a couple of times, couple minutes. But what I want to do, and this is also going to benefit me, and it will probably also benefit you if you were taking AP Calculus AB level. Uh, and this is just a simple U substitution. I made this problem in my head because I think it covers, I think, what you need to know about U substitution. There is no inverse tangent, so you won't be pulling out inverse tangent or inverse functions or whatever, you know what I'm talking about. But this is just a simple one. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna derive it. I'm gonna derive it to. I'm gonna get the answer. Oh, my fingers are freaking dirty as crap. I'm gonna give you the answer in two ways. One, which is gonna be a simplified version, and two, which is gonna be like the exponential form AP version that you can also use in the test that you might do. So without further ado, yeah, let's just start it. So, hi, how you doing? So what we can do first is that we can take 3 pi and take it on the outside, which will make this one very much easier. So that'll be x squared plus 3 d of x. So now it looks a little bit more easier to deal with because now we can just focus on this one. If you can see that, I don't know if you can. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so now we can use sub very much easily. So we can make this u. I'm gonna try to conserve room. This will be u. Du would just be the derivative of that. I'm gonna write everything down, no matter what. Oh, that's not how you do it, my bad. Derivative, so that'll be 3. Okay, so 6. What the frick? Okay. Wow, this is falling apart very fast. This will be 6x squared. So that will mean that now we got dx, so now this would just be du over 6x squared. Okay, so now we have our du. So now what we can do, we can put this into here and replace everything. So we'll keep x squared for now, and then we'll do square root of u, then it'll just be du over 6x squared. So x squared and x squared, that cancels. And then we have this 1 6 right here, so we can bring that 1 6 and put it out here. And now we have our simplified version in U substitution form. So now we can combine that, because obviously I can combine it. That'll just be 1 over 18 pi. That's an 18, not 11. And now we can focus on this. So you should know that kind of like how you know that the derivative of the derivative of square root of x is 1 over that's the derivative of that. So now the integral of square root of x is 2x square root of x over 3 plus c, if you want to do that. So with that idea in mind, we can substitute that with that equation. So 1 over 18 pi, and then we can plug in our thing. So 2u square root of u over 3. Okay? So I'm going to get that out of the way. So now we can simplify it. So that would be 2u square root of u over 18 times 3 is 54 pi. And now it is simplified. So now we can plug in our u values. Actually, no, I'm just joking. Because this is actually, can be simplified because 54 divided by 2 is 27. So it'll just be 1 over 27. So final answer, if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. So our final answer will be, so we're plugging u. So 2x degree plus e, and then obviously our square root and then 27 pi. So that's our answer right there. This is the simplified version of it though. That's the simplified version of our answer, which is this one right here. So that's a derivative of this. But now what I want to do, I want to show the kind of like the exponent form answer. So I'm going to divide this board in half. So what we can do, we can actually just, we can skip here because you can do that. So, yeah. So we're here. I'm gonna dot line this. It's a very interesting way to do a board, but I don't know what this is area for. I don't know, I might just do a freaking smiley face. But we can actually start from here. So the way that you can actually put this into simplified form is that you can just do this, and then you can actually put this into 1/2. So you can do u 1/2 to the power of 1/2. And when you do your math for that, when you use the integration power rule, you would end up with 2/3 u 3/2. Or if you're very fancy, it would be like 2. What is it? So that'd be like u that over 3. Like, it doesn't matter, but we're gonna use this one because it will apply more to the power rule. So then what you can do is that you can take 1/18 pi times 1/3. Nope, just kidding. 2/3. Square root, no, not square root. U to the power of 3/2, right? And then this one is gonna be the same thing. 18 times 3 is 54 pi, and then 2/54 pi would just be 1/27 pi. So then you can just do 1/27 pi, and then you can do your your u value, and then you can bring your exponent down and obviously add that c. So this is the it's like, I don't know, like you said, it's like the exponent form, AP form. Like, it's pretty cool. But it doesn't matter. I mean, these are both the same answers, but that's how you can use substitution to basically integrate that problem. It's pretty cool. Alright? Have a good one.